Okay, decided to switch it up a little bit right now. Maybe let me zoom this in. And there we go. What's up, everybody? Today's video is an interactive one. You guys take part at home. So I'm gonna take the time right now to just pause. Oh my eyes, sorry, I couldn't hold that. I want you guys to get a piece of paper, or if you guys don't want to do that and you're like lazy and you're on your phone, you're like this, you're like, oh, I just want to watch. Just follow along. Today we're gonna do the emoji game. So we have this website called guessemoji.org. For an example, Angry Birds. Boom. Okay, so that's just an example, but that was level 1. I want you guys at home to play along. Please, in the comments down below, honestly, freaking honestly, write down how far you got. Okay, so that was level 1. Looks like we have 20 hints. Toilet paper. This is easy. Family tree. Family tree. Too easy. Old people. Oh no. Oh, grandparents? Too easy, man. Come on! Lamb leg? Oh, you know it's lamb for sure. Lamb chops. Rushing it. Blackberry. Fire. Clock. Fire alarm. Fire alarm. Chocolate milk. Disgustingly easy. Batman. Oh, these are so easy. These are so easy. Pretty easy. Batman. Okay, nosebleed. Ooh, I was gonna say nose job, but oh shoot, that was fun. You've unlocked a level 2 and been given 3 more hints. Holy, we've got 23 hints. Man cuts pig. Man butcher. Cake love. Cake love? Pastry love? Love cake. Cake love? Definitely not cake love. Oh man, this got hard fast. Cake hearts? Candy hearts. Candy hearts? Pie heart? Pie love? Pie love. Pie chart. Pie chart. Strawberry shortcake love? No. Cake hearts. Carts. Cake hearts. Cake farts. Cake farts. Have you guys seen that? Don't look it up. Alright, we're gonna use a hint. This is so bad, guys. We're already using a hint. Oh, great. You gave us an S. Sweet. Sweetheart! Oh my god, how did I not get that? Yes, god. Double diamond? Diamonds? Diamonds. Really? That was like level 1 sunlight. Lights on. Sunny day? Sunshine? Sunshine? No. Sunny bulbs. Fudge, we're using another hint. Should we use another hint? Bakery. Breakfast? Let's use another hint. Shoot. I knew it was gonna be R. This is a sun, or it's sunshine, or it's gotta, this is light, or it's on, or it's like, idea? Maybe? Idea. A bright idea. Oh my god. You literally saw that happen. It's bright idea. I'm so glad I'm recording this because you can see my thought process just like bubble up. Bright idea. America boat. America sails. No, there's no I. It's not USA because there's no U in the letters. It's not America because there's no M. Cruise can't be cruise, there's no C. America boat. America's boat. America's favorite boat. I don't know. Flag. We have sail. Guys, we're gonna need to use a hint again. This is so bad. F. Another hint. FL? Flagship? Flagship. It's freaking... See what I mean? They throw you in these freaking simple ones every so often. That's level 1 stuff that they're tossing in to confuse me. Now that I'm aware, I'm gonna change that. Heart gun, heart shoot, heart attack, heart attack. Yes. I hate these cake ones because these can mean so many different things, like sweet. Dessert. Oh my god, is that desserts? It's friggin' desserts. Dessert, or it's dessert. Graduate. iPhone. Red Bull. Oh, these are getting really easy now. You've unlocked a level 3, baby. Let's go, let's keep going. Scary movie. Easy. Too easy. Scary. Pig money. Pork money. Pork bags. Oh, it's money bags. No. Fat stacks. Piggy bank. Friggin' piggy bank. Oh, shoot. Dancing cars. Race? No, there's no R. What involves dancing and cars? Grease? Okay, let's go ahead and use a hint. Safe? Sing? Maybe? No, not sing. There's no I. Send nudes. Oh, no, I need it. Another hint. Seat, maybe? Seat dance. What the f is seat dance? Literally no idea what seat dance is. I don't know what that is. Pig boy. What movie has a boy that's a pig? Pig boy. I'm so sorry if at home you know what this is. Pig boy. Oink. Oink. Hint. F. What? Fap date. It's definitely not fat date. That would be quite an interesting date. Fathead? What the f is a fathead? All right, next one. 7-Up. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Oh, shower house. Wet house. Bathroom. Bathroom. That was too easy. Something flight. Time flies. Time flies. Time flies. Piano fire. That beat is fire. Who's your producer? Mixtape? Piano mixtape? Piano mixtape. Use hint. P. Piano hot. Hot piano. Hot keys. Hot keys? 4-letter words starts with P. All right, next. Let's do the hint. Play. Play them keys. Oh, another hint. Play. Guys, I'm not getting this at all. Play work. Use another hint. Play with. Oh, play with fire. Shoot. That one was too obscure. Fire, drop, blowing. Fire, water, wind. I want a fire, wet, blow. Hint. We are flying through these hints. Steam. I just got it. Steam. Suck my ass, dog. This is micro rats. Rat lab. Lab rat. Lab rats. We made level 4, baby. Okay, we've gotten 30 of these right. Horseshoe. Oh my God, I just got that right. Sometimes they come right to you right when you look. It's like you either get it or you don't. Well, that's obvious. Black pen. Something black. Black tips. Black lips. No. Black hips? Okay, no. List. Black list. This is easily sunflower. Oh my God. It is sunflower. Help me. Oh, shoot, I was worried it was gonna be an S. Send? Send help? No. Shoot, I think recording stopped. We got it. It was save face though. Tongue? Tongue. There's so many letters left. I'd say spiral or spin, but there's no P. Oh my God, tongue twister. It's got, oh my God, it's tongue twister. Baby. Red eye. It's red eye. It's early flight. No. Oh my God, there's no Y. It can't be red eye. See red? See red. To stop smoking. To stop smoke. Oh my God, it's the first one we can't get either. Secondhand smoke. Oh my God. Back door. Back door. Turn around. Turn back knob. Turn back. Close the door. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Can't be door. There's no we need 2 O's for door. Turn Todd. Turn out. Turn out. Friggin' turn out. And also, guys, I just used a hint, so we clearly have 6 more hints. Wet car. Wet. Car wash. It's friggin' car wash. Bank pin. Money pin. ATM pin. Yes, baby. Level 5. Cheese. Camera shy. Oh my God, it's camera shy. Yes. Down. Business. Down. Bag. Down. Bag. Put your bag down. Stay a while. 2 letters. God, that's the worst. Use hint. IT. That may not even be T. In bag. Bagging that ass. I don't even know what that means. In care. No. In cast. Shit. In case. Oh my God, it's friggin' in case. Oh my God. Pound that pussy. Definitely not. Okay. Punch cat. Shit. Step. Punch a cat and step in shit. This might be it, guys. I think this is where hurt shit. Step in shit. Bad luck. Hint. Punch cat shit step. Punch cat poo shoe. Knuckles cat. Your poo walks. Another hint. Revenge. We literally have 1 hint left now. Stab, no T. Ghost, scared. Oh, could be scared. Oh, it could scream. It's friggin' scream. Scream. 100% showers, baby. Storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm. Shit, there's no H. Lightning, 100% rain, all the way. 100. Chance of meatballs, 100% storm. All right, we're using our last hint here, guys. P. Oh, damn, I was not gonna think P. Perfect storm. Oh my God, it's perfect storm. Family, hand family, no. F-A, there's no F. Shoot, hand family, holding hands? Hand holding, no, there's no D. Can't hold hands without the D. Couple, see, give me knucks. Knuckles, fist, hand cream. No, there's no hand, Dan. Hold. No, there's no L. Fist. Rock. Could it be rock? No. I don't know, guys. This is where we're gonna leave it. If you guys know what this is, we're not gonna be able to find this out because I don't know what it is. If you guys know what this is, please write in the comment down below or please tweet it to me at DDanocracy. I'm happy with that. We made to round 45. That's not bad. Anyways, there you guys have it. That was the emoji quiz. If you guys think you can do better, please try it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.